Wadhi nyime duol makedo ne thuolo maromre ne kit chuech duto e pacho ka ochako chenro mar twak gi jokanyo ewi chenro mar keto kare chik mar 2/3 mar kit chuech achiel bedo e telo ma pacho ka.
Duol nyakora Mogajwang kotelne kod Laktar Joyce Mutinda ma en CEO mar NGEC wacho ni bedo ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto siro chik ni gin gi geno ni od bura mar 13 biro chopo kare chik makama.
Jokanyo mopogore opogore ogolo paro manyalo biro konyo chopo kare chik ni mahingo higni 10 nyaka ne chike manyien chak tich e pacho ka.
Every other election cycle, something like 15 to 20 constituencies are set aside for women, so that women vie, so that you say, like for instance, Bobasi constituency, no matter how much violence you'll deal with, these people are not going to elect women unless we force them to elect women. So we close it out and say election cycle 2027, Bobasi constituency falls under the affirmative action. Hiyo kiti ya MP tumewachia wamama, waende wapigane wamama kwa wamama.
Of course, our responsibility is to make sure the constitution is fully implemented. But even we are conflicted a little bit because partially as players and members of the National Assembly, we fall victim of the whole scenario where we are really not fully, within the 2-3 gender rule.
We have a duty and a role as given by law to facilitate and coordinate, and hence the reason why we are having this meeting, to deliberate on the financial implications of the bills and debunk the myths surrounding the financial burden of these bills. There's been this myth, it's going to be quite heavy on our taxpayers, but we need to realize the provisions for the constitution that we all voted in.